Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, today again we will take a look at euro currency as usual. So yesterday's session was relatively quiet, so we did not see a really big action either to the upside or to the downside. This market mostly is calling below the major resistance in 1730, or better to say not just a single resistance, but this is, as we could see, is a cluster of the fib levels on the widening of 100 pips approximately, so on 1730, 1820. So this is it's kind of a confluence resistance stands in this area. Also, this level is very important because it coincides with the neckline of our potential hand shoulders pattern that we are watching for. If you remember, yesterday our concern mostly was about forming of the right shoulder. So it was two options in this process. So first we say that probably market could start to form it right now, or maybe it will show another action to the upside, hit 1850 approximately, and after that will turn to the deep retracement. This retracement and appearing of the right arm is very important for daily traders because it should provide good opportunity for taking long position. This 115 area is very attractive. It's a good level for taking long, and at the same time it will be also important for validity of this pattern. So this will be some kind of invalidation point. So if the market will fail to reestablish upper direction, drop back to the head and bottom of the head, that's all the sign that this hand shoulders failure, and downward action could continue immediately. So that's why this level is very important. Why we actually talk about either this level or 1850? Just because on the follow time frame chart, guys, we have two extensions. It's a bit steep ABCD pattern, but actually this is the only one that we have here. Market at the same time keeps very well harmonic swings on upward direction. When it hits more or less stronger level, stronger resistance, it shows double retracement, double of the harmonic swing here. And take a look again at this point where the market has hit the minor target, that is the COP, contraction objective point by the Judd-Napoli framework, but the Napoli terms. Market again has shown mostly the double harmonic swing down. It's also weekly pivot resistance one. At the same time, upward pullback, as you can see, was really significant. So real fast acceleration. And in general, on this way up, this market shows very good pace. As you can see, thrusting action here is definitely some kind of the thrust existence, very good for a hand shoulders pattern. This kind of the V-shaped reversal is also very supportive for the hand shoulders. Means that sentiment has changed drastically right at this point. So market was able to form just a minor retracement, 1655. And our concern, major question was what to expect, whether this point will become the deep retracement or we should wait for OP target. So OP stands 1850. That's why we're watching mostly for these two levels where major retracement could start. And yesterday on the hourly chart there were some signs of the possible hand shoulders could be formed here. This could be kind of the ABCD pattern down right to the 6116 area. It's actually could become the starting point of this deep retracement. But today's situation has changed, guys. Now take a look at the hourly chart. In fact, we currently suggest that should be upward bounce from the B point, and indeed this has happened. But take a look right here. This upward action, upward acceleration was really fast, and compared to the previous, to the left shoulder, the right shoulder is too significant. It's too strong and high, and that makes me think that we should take the parallel analysis between that what we saw just last week and what we see right now. It's very similar price action. Here also we have talked about the possible hand shoulders, but retracement was small and market has turned up again. That is the same kind of action. So currently, guys, I think that it's better to not take any short position, and current price action significantly reduce the chances that the downward action right to the 115 will start right from here. Current action, guys, makes me think that it seems that probably upward action will continue here. It looks more as preparation for the further upward continuation. Also, major trend line still holds here, and it's mostly reminding kind of the flag pattern or pennant, like here it was. So it makes me think that current situation looks more bullish rather than bearish, mostly based on this recent action up. That is, here is the acceleration was up from the B point, and in general the forming of the greater, so let's call it as the right shoulder, it's greater than the left shoulder. It's not good because actually the hand shoulders is the type of the pattern where the bears should control market right when the right arm is forming. But here we see the absolutely different picture, and that's why it makes me think that probably chance on upward continuation here and breakout of this flag looks preferable compared to possible downward action. So by the recent price action, market has resolved this riddle and gives us some clarity on the perspective of the price action. So that's our opinion on the euro currency right now, and as the bottom line, it seems that market will proceed higher inside the resistance cluster that we have on the daily chart, and the next area that we'll be watching for is 1850 probably. So speaking about taking the long position, well, probably it could be done, but still you need to some insurance for your position. Try and take the position as close to this lows as possible, and it's better if you will get some pattern. Maybe if you drop to the 5-minute chart, it will be kind of a godless cheaper to buy here or something of that sort. Or another scenario how you could think about taking long, wait for a breakout. So something of that sort. When the market will break it up, taking out to this top, wait for minor retracement here, as here it was, retesting of this top, and take the long position. That will be safer. Because in this case you already will have the upward continuation on your back, and market already will be above the COP target. That's how you could act if you are planning to take the scalp long position here on the euro currency. Others who trade on daily, nothing has changed. We're waiting for appearing of the right arm for taking medium-term position on the euro.